Dear students, in this class I am going to teach you chapter number 8. Chapter number 8 of CBSE 8th class mathematical subject. Name of the chapter is Dear students, in this class we are going to start CBSE 8th class mathematical subject. From that subject we are going to discuss chapter number 8. Name of the chapter is Algebraic Expressions and Identities. So this is the name of the chapter. We are going to discuss what is algebraic expression and types of algebraic expression, examples, some examples we are going to solve. So before starting the content, let's see how you can join this course. So we have our LMS app, mobile app. Name of the app is A2Lytics. So this app is available in Google Play Store. You can search in the Google Play Store A2Lytics. So you will find this app. Just download it and register with your mobile number and email ID. Once you do the registration, then by using OTP, you can log in into the app. So once you log into the app, you will find various courses for school students, courses for engineering students, some programming courses, various courses are available. So you can select the mathematics for CBSE class 8 course and you can start learning mathematics subject. If you have any query related to our app, related to our course, then you can contact on this number. This is our contact number, or you can send WhatsApp message to this number. If you want to send email, then you can send email to this email ID. So this is about our LMS app, and these are the contact information where you can contact us and get more information and start learning. Now let's start our today's content, that is chapter number 8, Algebraic Expression and Identities. So first of all, let's see what is an algebraic expression. Okay. So algebraic expression is a mathematical expression which contains three things: variables, constants and operators. What is meant by variable? Variables are nothing but symbols. Symbols means alphabets A to Z. In A to Z, any alphabet. These are called as a variables. They are called as a variables because their values are not known. Values are not known. That's why they are called as a variables. That's why alphabets are used. Second thing is constants. Constants, values are known, fixed numerical values. Constants are nothing but fixed numerical values. For example, number 5, -3, 0.5, these are the constant. And the third one is operators. We know mathematical operators: addition operator, plus, subtraction operator, that is minus, multiplication operator, then division operator, that is, this is a division operator. So algebraic expression is a mathematical expression which contains combination of variables, constant and operators. Combination of these three things is called as a algebraic expression. Now let's see examples. Some examples we will see for better understanding. So, here is a simple expression. Simple expression. How to read this expression? Minus 3x plus 7. This is a simple algebraic expression. Why it is called as a simple? Because it contains only one variable, there is a no square term, that is why it is called as a simple. Another example, minus 2y minus 5, minus 2y minus 5. So, these are the two examples of simple expression. These examples contain constants. So, 3, 7, 2, 5, these are the constants. Here x, here y, then plus, minus symbols, these are the operators. So, algebraic expression is a mathematical expression which contains constants, variable, operator. Next, second type, expression with multiple variables. Expression with multiple variables. So, in previous two examples, only one variable. In first variable x is there, in second variable y. Here two variables are there, a, b. Here x, y, two variables are there. Okay. So, how to read this expression? Minus 4a plus 5b minus 2. Second example, minus xy plus x minus 6. So, these are the two examples of expression with multiple variables. Third type of example, expression with powers and fractions. Expression which contains powers. So, square terms are there, cube terms, x raised to 4, x raised to 5, such terms are present. So, they are called as a expression with power. Fraction. So, here in these type of expression, division of terms are there. Okay. So, here if you see this example, this is expression number 1 divided by expression number 2. So, such expression contains fraction. Okay. So, these are the two examples of expression with power and fractions. So, here x cube, x square, x terms are there. So, it is called as a expression with power. So, these are the three types of expressions. Next, types of algebraic expressions. Types of algebraic expressions. First type is a monomial. Mono means one term. Mono means one. So, the expression which contains only one term is called as a monomial. Okay. An expression with only one term is called as a monomial. One term means, what is meant by one term? One example, 4x 5. So, this is one term, this is another term. Okay. So, what is meant by term? Term means what? The algebraic expression contains variable, constant, operator. operators. Okay. Then term means multiplication or division of variable and constant is called as a term. Multiplication or division of variable and constant is called as a term. So here you see 4x, so 4 into x, multiplication of constant and variable is called as a term. Here it is 5 is a one term, one constant, one term. So remember, term means multiplication of constant and variables. So it may be like this, 4xy. So 4 into x into y. So multiplication of one constant and two variables. That is also called as a term. It may be like this, 8x square y. So 8 is a constant, x square is a one term, one variable, y is a another variable. So 8x square y is a term. Okay. So remember terms. Based on term, we are going to discuss types of algebraic expression. So term is important here. So the monomial means the expression which contains only one term. So if you see the example here, here is a only one term. Here is a only one term. Now how these two terms can be added, how these two terms can be subtracted from each other. Based on that, we can define binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Okay. So let's see second type, binomial. Binomial means two terms are there. Two terms, in between those two terms there may be addition or subtraction. An expression with two terms is called as a binomial. So this is one example. This is a binomial. Which contains two terms. This is one term, 3 into x is a one term, 2 is another term. These two terms are added by using plus symbol. So this is binomial expression. So two terms are added here. So 2 means binomial. One more example here. See here, this is one more example, a square minus b square. So here a square is a one term, b square is a another term. So in between these two terms, subtraction operator. So a square minus b square contains two terms, a square term and b square term. So it is called as a binomial expression. Next, trinomial. Tri means three terms are there. The expression which contains three terms. Okay. An expression with three terms is called as a trinomial. So let's see the example. So this is an example which contains three terms. Which are the three terms? X square is a one term, 5x is second term and 6 is a third term. So three terms are added by using plus operator. So this is called as a trinomial, right? Monomial where there is only one term, binomial where there are two terms, trinomial where there are three terms. Now let's move to the next type, that is polynomial. Poly means many terms, more than one terms, that is called as a poly. Okay. So it is not possible to give name for each type. Okay. Mono, bino, trino. So if fourth terms are there, if 5 terms are there, so it is not possible to give name to all these types. So they are called as a polynomial terms, polynomial expressions. An expression with more than 2 terms, more than one actually it is, more than one term is called as a polynomial. So examples you can write x square plus xy plus 4z plus z square plus any a square, something like this. So such expressions are called as a polynomial expression. I hope 4 types of expressions are clear. Binomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Next. Next point is operations on algebraic expressions. So far we have discussed what is algebraic expression, simple algebraic expression, expression with multiple variable, expression with power term and fraction. After that we have discussed 4 types of polynomial expression, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial, and for all these we have discussed examples. Now next point is operations on algebraic expression. On algebraic expression, what type of mathematical operation we can perform? We can perform all mathematical operation we can perform: addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, all types. Here we are going to discuss 3 types of operations. Addition. Addition of algebraic expressions. Okay. See, this is one algebraic expression. So how the algebraic expression is represented? By using parenthesis. So inside the parenthesis algebraic expressions are written. So here is a one algebraic expression, here is another algebraic expression. Okay. Within a parenthesis 2 separate algebraic expressions are written, and those 2 algebraic expressions are added by using plus operator. Addition of 2 algebraic expressions. This is called as addition of 2 algebraic expression. Okay. So how they are added? A plus B, then directly we can add plus C plus D, plus C and plus D. So this is addition of 2 algebraic expression. Next is subtraction of algebraic expressions. So this is one algebraic expression, A plus B. This is another algebraic expression, C plus D, and in between algebraic expression there is a subtraction operator, minus. So how to solve this? A plus B, so minus C minus D. So we multiply minus 1 inside the parenthesis. So minus C minus D. So this is answer of subtraction. Next, multiplication of algebraic expression. So here are 2 algebraic expression. This is 1 and this is second. So in between these expression there is a multiplication operator. So we have to multiply this bracket with A plus this bracket with B. Okay. So same thing is written. So how we can write? A into this bracket C plus D, this plus symbol as it is, then B into C plus D. We know the distributive property. Okay. Then we can multiply A to this bracket AC plus AD, this plus as it is, BC plus BD. So this is a final answer. This is a final answer of multiplication. So same is given here, same is given over here. Okay. So this is how we can perform addition of algebraic expression, subtraction of algebraic expression, and multiplication of algebraic expressions. Next, so once again we will see some examples of algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions are the combination of variables, constants, and operator. So here are the example. So this is one algebraic expression, x plus 3. This is another algebraic expression, 2x minus 5. Then algebraic expression 3x square, here is a 4x square plus 7y. So these are the some examples of algebraic expressions. Now let us see how to perform addition of algebraic expressions. Okay. Question is add 7x square minus 4x plus 5. So this is one algebraic expression. So this is trinomial. This is trinomial type of expression. Trinomial type of algebraic expression. 3 terms are there. 7x square is a one term, 4x is another term, and 5 is another term. Okay. So 3 terms, trinomial type of expression. And 9x minus 10. So this is another algebraic expression which contains 2 terms, 9x and minus 10. Okay. 2 terms are there. So these 2 algebraic expressions we have to add. The question is add these 2 algebraic expression. So 2 algebraic expression we have to add. We have to perform addition of 2 algebraic expression. Now how to perform addition of algebraic expression? Let us see. While performing addition, we have to make sure that similar terms are grouped together and the terms which are not similar we have to write differently. Okay. So let us write first expression as it is. So I have written first expression as it is, 7x square minus 4x plus 5. While writing second algebraic expression, I have to write 9x minus 10. So where to write 9x minus 10, here or here? That is the question. Then what the rule says? You have to write an algebraic expression in such a way that similar terms should come together. Okay. So 9x I am going to write here below 4x, so that it become easy to add these similar terms. Minus 10 I am writing below 5. Minus 10 is written below 5 because I want to perform addition of constants or subtraction of constant. Here I want to perform addition or subtraction of 4x and 9x. So I want to perform addition of same terms. Okay. So this is one thing you have to remember while performing the mathematical operations. So you have to write similar terms together. So there is a no matching term for 7x square. So keep that 7x square as it is. There is a no matching terms here. Okay, so keep that 7x square as it is. Now we have to perform the operation. So addition operation we have to perform. Okay. Plus 5 minus 10. So in this case we know how to perform the addition or subtraction. So subtract 5 from minus 10, we will get 5, and we have to give sign of larger number. So minus 5. Next, plus 9x minus 4x. In this case we subtract minus 4x from 9x. So 5x remains, plus 5x remains, and this 7x square as it is, 7x square as it is. So this is a answer. This is a answer. Okay. So what we have to note here? 1. Write similar terms together that is the first thing. Second is terms which are different write them separately. Write them separately. Okay. So in this case, which terms are similar? Term 5 is a constant, minus 10 is a constant. So they are written together. 4x, 9x similar. So they are written together. And 7x square, there is no matching term for 7x square. So it is written separately. Okay. So similar terms we have to add or subtract, and the remaining term we have to write as it is. So these are the two things we have to remember while performing addition of algebraic expressions. Next, one more example here. One complex example we are going to discuss. Add, perform addition of, this is one algebraic expression, 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. This is also a trinomial type. 3 terms are there. Term number 1, term number 2, term number 3. It is a trinomial type of algebraic expression. This is expression number 1. Second expression, 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y. This is also trinomial type of algebraic expression. 3 terms are there. Third algebraic expression, minus 2xy minus 3zx plus 5x plus 5x. This is another term. So, here also 3 terms are there, 1, 2, 3. This is also a trinomial. All 3 algebraic expressions are of trinomial type. Okay. So, we have to perform addition of these 3 algebraic expressions. So, as per rule, we will write down the algebraic expressions and then we will perform the addition. First of all, I will write first algebraic expression. So, here I will write 7xy plus 5yz minus 3, instead of z x, I will write xz. Okay. Next, 4yz. So, while writing second expression onwards, we have to see the matching terms. So, 4yz, where is the yz term? Here. So, I will write plus 4yz here. So, instead of writing here, I will write at second place. So, plus 4yz. Next is 9zx or 9xz. So, where is the xz term? Here. Plus 9xz. So, this term I have written. Next, minus 4y, minus 4y. Where is the y term? No y term, so I will write it separately, 4y. What rule number 2 says? The term which is not matching, you write it separately, do not write them together. So, minus 4y is not matching with the expression in first expression. Then second expression we have written. Then third expression, minus 2xy. Where is the xy term? Where is the xy? Here is the xy. So, I will write minus 2xy, minus 2xy. So, here I have written below this xy term, I have written minus 2xy. Okay. Next, minus 3zx, minus 3xz, minus 3xz, here minus 3xz, minus 3xz. Okay. Below this I have written. Next, plus 5x, plus 5x. So, where is the x term here? xy, yz, xz, yz, xz, 4y. So, there is no x term in above two expressions. So, I will write 5x separately. I will write 5x here, 5x here. All three expressions I have written with some arrangement. Now, let us perform given operation. What operation is given? Addition, addition operation. So, I will write add. So, while performing addition operation, we have to see the similar terms. Which are the similar terms? These are the similar terms. You can see. We have to perform operations on similar terms first. Okay. How to perform addition subtraction here? Minus 3xz minus 3xz, that is minus 6xz. I will write here minus 6xz plus 9xz. From 9xz subtract this 6xz, remaining is 3xz plus 3xz. Okay. So, you can perform separate addition separately here. Minus 6xz plus 9xz, here it is plus 3xz. So that is what we have written. Okay. Next, plus 5yz plus 4yz. 5 plus 4, 9yz plus 9yz written. Next, 7xy minus 2xy. 7 minus 2, 5xy. 5xy. So we have added similar terms. Remaining terms we will write as it is. 4y minus 4y plus 5x. 4x. Right? So this is the answer. So you can write in any order. For example, if you want to write them in a different order, you can write. Okay. Suppose 5, as per alphabetical order, if you want to write, you can write 5x minus 4y plus 5xy plus 9yz plus 3xz, like this you can write. As per alphabetical order also you can write. This is also correct, this is also correct. Okay. So this is how you can add algebraic expression. Similarly, you can perform subtraction also. So this is all about today's session. We'll stop here.